There's a saying that if you truly love and enjoy what you do, then you don't ever really work a day in your life. And that's what I truly feel about Woodys.
Who was your sales advisor?
Was Jeff.
And how did he do for you?
He did great. He went above and beyond.
What do you think makes you keep coming back to Woodys?
Well, definitely Jeff.
Jeff is your sales advisor.
Yep, Jeff has been my sales rep for all my cars and all my family's cars, so.
Really, all your families as well. My goodness.
My stepdad, I think, said his truck that he just bought was his 7th car he bought from Jeff. When I buy other car, a lot of the dealerships just kind of, they wouldn't work with you as much as Woodys does. Mm-hmm. And they wouldn't really I just kind of, like Jeff just kind of feels like a friend.